If your MacBook Neo can't connect to App Store, apps are not loading or not showing up, here are some quick fixes to get it working again. First, let's check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Turn your Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off. Sometimes VPNs can block access to the App Store. Next, check your date and time settings. Incorrect date and time can cause connection issues. Go to System Settings, then General, and scroll down to Date and Time. Make sure Set Time and Date automatically is turned on, along with the location-based setting. If the issue is still not fixed, try a force restart. Press and hold the power button until your Mac shuts down completely. Then turn it back on and try opening the App Store again. Also, check if there's any pending software update. Go to System Settings, then General, and click on Software Update. If an update is available, install it and try again. And that's it. One of these steps should get your App Store working again. Thanks for your time.